friends and families, how are you all doing? It's your girl Estelle and I hope you're all doing good. So my friends, I'm back this week with a simple recipe to share with you. It's served as a side dish and is called Attiéké Jaune, which is also known as Cassava Couscous with palm oil. And I'm pretty sure if you watch the video till the end, you will love this recipe and you will want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So to get started, I've got my ready-made attiéké, which I bought it from my local African shop. And this is how it looks like. So for those of you who doesn't know, attiéké is made from fresh cassava. And this is how the pack looks like. So if you go into your local African shop, you may find this in the frozen section as it has to be imported. So that's why it's been sold frozen and you will have to bring it home defrosted before use. Morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the... And next is our secret ingredient. Yay! In order to make the attiéké looks yellow, all we need is palm oil. Light has just come. We must never... And next after that is water. Since the attiéké has been imported frozen, so we will need water to wet the attiéké a bit in order to turn it soft before cooking. And finally, I've got some salt to taste, but the salt is optional, so you can add salt if you wish or leave it out. And these are all the ingredients for today's recipe. Okay guys, it's time to start making our attiéké jaune. Yay! So my friends, to get started, I'm going to add a bit of water into the attiéké, followed by giving it a good mix. And that is to help the attiéké to soften before taking it to the microwave. Stop the way, yeah. And now that my attiéké is well mixed, I'm going to take it to the microwave and I will microwave it for a total maximum of 5 minutes. And that is based on the quantity of attiéké that I have, which is 1 kilogram. So if your attiéké is less, you probably will need around 3 minutes to get your attiéké properly warm. Okay guys, now that our attiéké is properly warm, nice and soft, it's time to add our secret ingredient. Yay! So I'm going to now add in the palm oil, followed by giving it another good mix until the attiéké turns yellow. Yep! Life is happy but it's so insane. We must... Et voila! Ta-da! Our yellow attiéké is ready! So my friends, it's time to start serving. You can serve this with any type of soup and it will taste absolutely delicious. So insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah. I am serving this with seafood soup and I have already uploaded a video on YouTube where I show you how to make the seafood soup. So I will link the video at the end of this video so you can go and have a look and see how I've done it. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the... Alright it, friends and families, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've liked the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment if you ever try the recipe to let me know how it turns out. And also share the video with your families and friends. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and also share the video with your families and friends. Okay guys, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.